what's up, y'all? It's Mickey the Barber. Um, in today's video, I'm gonna be going over a few things with you guys as far as like being a professional and you know, kind of dealing with people with hair loss. Um, I say this a lot, as far as just being someone who does this service. Like education is key. Like you have to continue to keep on learning and continue to figure out other things the way to help people because everybody's not dealing with the same situation. Everybody hair loss is not due to the same reasons. Everybody is not missing hair in the same places. So today I flew to Atlanta because we got a class this weekend. We got a class on Sunday, and then we got a class on Monday. The classes are pretty packed, so I'm excited about that. But I also, because I knew I was coming out here to do these classes, I also want to take classes myself. So right now I'm about to get ready to go to a hairstylist. Her name is Christina Benjamin. I'm going to go take one of her courses. It's a 2-day course, and it's basically going to be doing kind of the same thing as dealing with people with hair loss, but it's going to be dealing with more women. As you guys see, I do women and I do men on my channel, but sometimes it is a little bit harder for me to give women something that's going to last them long because shit, I don't know all the tricks that the hairstylists do. So like I said, I'm just a barber, so I'm really just kind of going off of what I know, and what I know is cutting hair. So and most women that are dealing with hair loss don't have hair, so I really don't have anything for me to really just cut. But I still want to be able to help women that contact me. So right now I'm about to go to this class because I'm really excited about the class because I feel like it's gonna add on to everything that I have, and it's gonna just boost up basically just like my technique, my skill level. Is gonna help me be able to help anybody. Of course, and you guys see me do a lot of different people's hair, but it's not the same as trying to help women and give them that confidence back from having hair. Because with men it's slightly different. Most men are okay with being bald. Most men are okay with having the option of getting hair sometimes, and with women it's really not that it's not that women definitely, like, we, especially as a black woman, like, we cherish our hair. You feel our hair is a part of our culture. So not saying that there's anything wrong with being bald or anything that like that, but at the same time, women want to be able to feel a certain way about their hair, about their presence. So I understand why, what I'm saying, this is a big thing for women. So I also want to play my own part in that, also while helping women out in the ways that I know how. I have family members that have hair loss, that deal with hair loss, and they're women, and I want to be able to help them also. So I'm about to go and take this class. It's gonna be all day, which is crazy. Like, I've never been in a class that lasts all day, so I'm about to see how this go. And I'm basically just kind of taking you guys on a journey with me to learn more about the hair service. I'm also gonna be taking more classes in the future. I feel like the more I take in, the more I can get out as far as return wise, being able to help people like I really want to. So let me go ahead and go in this class, and I'm going to tell you guys, give you guys some feedback about how I feel about the class after I leave. Yo, what's up, y'all? It's Mickey the Barber. I'm back at home. I actually just got back home last night. Me and my wife just got back after our class. It's Tuesday afternoon. I'm just leaving the gym. I didn't have much time while I was actually in Atlanta to kind of finish up this video. So I just wanted to kind of come back and make sure that I finish this video out for you guys. So I kind of wanted to give you guys just a nice little review on me taking the class that I took from Christina Benjamin. Now, I have to say, I wasn't expecting exactly what I got from that class, but I got more than I could have imagined from that class. It was a master class, and she taught me how to be able to use a fuller piece
Although I somewhat knew myself already from trying to do it myself, I could not get it exactly how I wanted it to be, as far as style, as far as looking extremely natural. So I seen her work on online before, and I just figured, hey, maybe let me try and see if I can do it. So I always try. I'll see. I got a few full of pieces that's at my shop now, but I haven't got an opportunity. I got an opportunity to try some of them out, but not all. And now that I have the information that I have from her, I feel like it'll be way easier for me to go in and accomplish exactly what I'm trying to accomplish. The class was extremely amazing. I when I went into it, I thought that I would be doing something totally new, or I myself assumed that just because I would be dealing with more women with this service, that it would be somewhat different, and it's really not. It's not that much different like as I assumed that it would be. It's just a lot more tedious work into making the unit, the hair system, look as natural as possible, and that's pretty much it. But the application and everything else is pretty much the same. As far as maintenance wise, coming for the hair pieces, it's also pretty much the same. As far as me and Christina, oh my God, like she did a lot of pouring into me. I would say that it's more so on a kind of building up my confidence level. As far as even doing the service, I thought I was missing a lot, and I wasn't missing a lot as far as what I was capable of doing. And like I said, just going to her class, it helped me realize all I need to do was have a few little tips on what I was doing, and I can accomplish whatever I needed to accomplish as far as a natural looking hair system. Now, as far as my classes, so I had my classes this weekend also. I had a class yesterday and I had a class the day before, and those classes were amazing. To be able to leave Christina class and then start on my own class, it brought like it made me feel a little different. Like like I said, my confidence level kind of like shot up a little bit more, because I feel like I knew what I was talking about. Like, yeah, like I've been doing it. I've been going off of my trial and error, but at the same time, to hear the same thing from a professional that's been doing kind of the same thing that I've been doing, like, it made me feel a little something, because it made me feel like I'm doing what I need to be doing. My classes, like I said, I have fun in my classes, but like I said, to have my confidence level a little shot up a little bit before my classes, it made me be able to pour more into the students and the professionals that came to the class. I hope they enjoyed the class. Everybody expresses to me that they enjoy my classes because they're very informational, and I try my best to put out as much information as I can about the service to the professionals, because for one thing, it's like it's not an overnight thing. It's continuous learning type of thing. Like I mean, it really doesn't matter how much money I spent for all the classes that I've taken. It's just the point that I've taken so many classes, and I'm not gonna stop taking classes until I feel like I ain't gonna even say I'm gonna stop until I feel some type of way. I'm just gonna continue to take classes if I feel like it's something that I can add to what I'm doing, or someone that I feel like a professional has some tips on something that I feel like I could perfect more. I'm gonna take the class, like just because I feel like it'll add to me as being able to accomplish the looks and stuff that I need for my clients, and be able to help professionals be able to accomplish the same thing for their clients. So I just wanted to give you guys a little, something about, the classes. I'm about to get ready to go back home. I'm walking from the gym right now. I'm about to get ready to go and enjoy the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna actually put some clips up of the classes that I took from Christina, and the classes that I had this weekend also, so you guys can kind of get a feel of what my weekend was like. Now, also, what I want to put out there right now at the end of this video is continue to learn, continue to take classes. No matter how great you think you are at something, there should always be room to grow more. Even if it's not you go into a class, and even if it's not you learn some type of technique or whatever the case may be, even if you can take a little bit of confidence from the class, that is also added to you also. I would say YouTube is a great place to learn about things, but YouTube is not a great place to actually learn how to do things. There's a reason why courses are even a thing now, because you have to learn how. The professionals that teach classes, they went through all the hiccups and things, and they're just teaching you easier ways to do it. So for everybody that think that oh, I seen it on YouTube, I can figure it out. Go ahead, check it out on YouTube, try it. Still, go and take a course from somebody who has already perfected the technique, and they'll give you a few more tips on how to continue to perfect that. And that's all I want to leave with you guys today, because like I said, I did this. I looked everything. I looked at stuff on YouTube all the time, and I see stuff, and I'm like, oh, okay, let me try it. And I try it, and it doesn't come out right. It doesn't come out like I've seen it done. So for me, it's like, okay, learning those little bitty tips that'll help you out, that definitely is a must. So if you see a course that's up from any professional that you like, or is professional that you've seen, and they're doing courses and they've already perfected what you want to perfect, go ahead and take that course. Investing into yourself is going to be the biggest and the most important thing that you're going to ever do if you want to grow. All right, y'all, I gotta go. Peace.